Student, now I am going to start the lesson, that is my hobbies. There are different kinds of hobbies, okay, like cycling, writing, reading, swimming, driving. Okay, there are so many different kinds of hobbies. Okay, my hobbies: understand the influence of family and friends on values and hobbies. Okay, observe this picture, children. See here, the woman is reading the newspaper. The woman is reading the newspaper. The boy is collecting the stamp. This boy is collecting the coins. Okay, she is singing. Then both are watering the plant. Both are watering the seer. Both are watering the plant. Feeding animals. Okay, here art and craft. Then here all are playing the cricket. They are doing different kinds of different words. Okay, some people practice the activity in their free time which they like very much and are interested in. These are hobbies. Okay, for example, reading books and newspapers, collection of postal stamp, singing, gardening, etc. What do you do in your free time? What are your hobbies? Okay, you have to write here in your what you do in your free time and your hobbies. You have to write here. Observe the hobbies of your family member. Write them here. Okay, observe and write your family's hobbies. Here, observe and write the hobbies of your friends. Observe and write your friend. Observe and write the hobbies of your friends. Okay, you have to write here. Have you noticed and similarities of or difference between hobbies among your family member? Your friends are yours. Your friend and yours. Write similarly hobbies and different hobbies in the boxes given below. Here similarly hobbies, then different hobbies. Why have you select these hobbies? Okay, you have to tick the mark. I like very much. Influence of the family member hobbies. Here influence of friends hobbies, pleasure, entertainment, guides of elders and teachers. Okay, see here children, one story is there. When Salim was 10 years old, he saw a baby bird fall on the ground. He thought it was a sparrow. He took it in his hand, but when he saw yellow color on its chest, he understood that it was not a sparrow. He was curious to know which bird it was. His uncle Amiruddin took him to Natural History Society in Mumbai, which studies bird and animal. The boy was influenced by the activities done there. He developed the hobby of watching birds. Later, this boy became a great bird watcher and wrote many books on birds. He is Padma Shri and Salim. This story is Padma Shri and Salim. The boy Jagdish was very interested in knowing about the lifestyle of plants and animals that he had seen. He grew many plants. His parents encouraged this hobby of Jagdish. He studies the life of plants and trees well and showed to the world that plants or trees also feel joy and sorrow. He is the famous botanist Dr. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Many people who treat their hobbies as their profession have gained name the fame. It was possible for them to do so by their affect, interest, cooperation and guidance of the family members. Of all the members of your family, whom do you want to be like? Why? You have to write here. Okay, write your favorite hobbies here. Your favorite hobbies you have to write here. In order To continue your favorite hobbies, get the guidance of your family member, elder and teachers. Cultivate good habits along this picture with this. Okay, look at this picture given. Put mark against the picture you would like to follow. See here children, in this picture, here fighting, here playing into together. This second picture is, you have to tick the right one. Okay, a girl is putting the garbage into the dustbin. She is throwing out on the street she is throwing outside of the street. Okay, you have to put here first one tick mark. In this picture, alone he is eating the food. Okay, see here, in this picture he is sharing and eating. You have to put here, in the second picture you have to put here right mark. Okay, here, see here, the boy is standing, the elders are sitting. This is a right answer. Okay, see here, the boy is sitting, about the old man is standing. Which one do you perform? We perform the first given by the first one. You have to tick the right mark. The elders to sit then. Here the boy is planting the tree, then here this boy is destroying the tree. Okay, this one is the good answer. Okay, see here children, this boy is destruction the books. Then here this boy is arranging the books. Which one is the good things? You have to put here. This one is the good things. Okay, fill up the blanks. Village Salkani is surrounding by big forest. Okay, you have to write there big forest. The people of the town came to cut the trees. You have to write here cut, 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 you have to write there. Okay, the people of the village hugged the tree. You have to write here hug the tree. Then the people of the village hugged the tree and saved the tree. You have to write here, underline. The people of the village hugging the tree and the save the tree. You have to write here tree. Okay, save forest, grow forest. You have to write here save, and you have to write here grow.